A young driver, you don't see a lot of drivers at that age. But the man's the real deal. Now he's driving a monster truck that has 540 CI block engine in it. Big Chevy engine, all aluminum, completely race style, high performance engine. Pumping out around 2,000 horsepower. That's a lot of horses. I hate to be the guy that's making shoes fall. Go ahead, Patriot, do your thing. Now he's been waiting all day to come out here and rip it. We did an intro at the beginning of the day, we did a little teaser earlier, and now this is the real show. Off of those two jump cars. Now all these trucks are sponsored by A&S Metal. Gotta give a big shout out to A&S Metal Recycling. They help make all this possible. You guys can see some of their vehicles located right over where the monster trucks are. They're all right next to each other. So you can go check them out after the show is over. I hope you guys are ready to have fun. This is the last time you will see the monster trucks do their thing here at the California International Air Show. The Patriot is also sponsored by South Park Driveline and Central Coast 4-wheel drive. We got a yellow flag up, which is just like a yellow light at a stoplight, which means caution, your run's just about over. So after you get done doing this thing, I'll hopefully get him out here and talk to him for a little while and let you get to know Andrew a little better. Now that's a 10,000-pound machine, you guys. I think it's nothing to play with. They're called monsters for a reason.
You told me this sucker is nuclear?
Yeah, what I'm saying. It's a 2002 Chevy body on there, but as everybody probably already knows, that is not an actual truck body, it's just a fiberglass cover. Just like a stock car, like you would see in NASCAR or something, you know, it's just a fiberglass body.
Yeah, good.
Acá hay de vez. Se va a poder daño.
You gotta give it up for the Patriot! You gotta take that steering wheel off when you can get out. That's how compact those cockpits are. You gotta take the steering wheel out, take his helmet off, which is to take care of you anyways. All that good stuff. You guys, once again, give a big round of applause for my man Andrew. Behind the wheel of the Patriot.